Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili sauce for Laphing. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of dried red chilies, 4 cloves of fresh garlic, and a 2-inch piece of ginger. For the aromatic oil, have on hand 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns and 2-star anise pods. Using fresh, high-quality ingredients is key to achieving that authentic, deep flavor profile. This foundation is crucial for a truly delicious sauce. Now, let's craft the heart of our sauce, the chili paste. Begin by soaking your dried red chilies in hot water for approximately 20 minutes. This rehydrates them, making them easier to blend. Once softened, drain them and combine with the 4 cloves of garlic and the 2-inch piece of ginger in a blender. Process until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste, adding just a tablespoon or 2 of water if necessary to help it along. Next, we'll infuse our oil to add incredible depth. Heat about 1 cup of neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a small saucepan to approximately 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add the 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns and 2-star anise pods. Gently fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, strain the oil, discarding the solids, and allow the aromatic oil to cool slightly before the next step. Finally, let's bring it all together. Carefully pour the warm, infused oil over your prepared chili paste. Stir vigorously and continuously for about 1 minute to fully combine the ingredients, creating a rich, vibrant, and beautifully textured sauce. Season with a generous pinch of salt and a dash, perhaps 1 teaspoon, of black vinegar to balance the flavors. Allow the sauce to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container for storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.